Hey, this is Alex from MoonGo Coffee, and this is MoonGo BrewTorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our cryodessicated coffee to make espresso at home. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm going to walk you through step by step. It is a little bit complicated the first time you do it. It took me a few tries. I've sort of figured it out, and I'm here to show you step by step how to do it. So first off, you get the packet. It's got some instructions on the back. I'll read them out loud. It says, 1 packet plus water, stir and enjoy. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that in practice. So today we have an Ethiopian natural cryodessicated coffee. We're going to pour it in the thing right here. Get it all in the thing. Okay. We're going to do 2 cups. We're going to do a regular cup, and we're going to do a little bit smaller cup. It's a little bit complicated how to change the recipe, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to pour this other one in the smaller cup. Now we need hot water. Okay. So I'm going to get a little water. I'm going to pour it in this dish. We're going to heat it up. You could use the beverage setting on a microwave. You could use a campfire. You could use a stove. I like to use the popcorn setting on this microwave though. I've had good luck with that. Boom, start. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make sure these are looking good. All right. I really prefer a Danby microwave. You can really use any microwave, but this Danby, really nice. High quality microwave. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Boom. All right, now our water's done. Now you always want to check and see if your water's all the way hot. A simple tip I've learned through the years of working here is if there's steam coming off, it's relatively hot. All right, so we're gonna pour some water in the cup, and then we're gonna stir. Complicated, it's not the easiest thing in the world. It's very worth it though. Now I have a beautiful cup of coffee. It's scalding hot. So, now we're gonna make espresso. A little bit different, a little bit tougher, but I'm gonna show you how to do it well. I'm gonna cook some more water. All right. All right, now we have super hot water for our espresso. What we're gonna do to make espresso is add a little less water. Boom, stir. Ready to enjoy. Tastes like espresso, because it is. Thank you so much for going through this recipe with me today. It's not the easiest recipe in the world. There are instructions in these packages. You can purchase these online or at both of our store locations. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or ask anyone in our stores how to make this. Thanks so much.